Hi guys, this is Anil Bishoi and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. Friends, in first part we have dealt with many antonyms and today we will discuss a few more antonyms. Let's start today's discussion. Increase, decrease or retardation. You can write decrease or retardation. Indecent, decent or proper. Inferior, superior or senior. Inherent, supplemental or accidental. Injustice, justice or fairness or lawfulness. You can write all of the three: justice, fairness or lawfulness for injustice. Then innocent, guilty or criminal. Don't we say that okay, he is guilty of that crime, or innocent, he has not done that crime. Then insufficient, sufficient or plenty or ample. You can write all of the three: sufficient, plenty or ample. Then intolerance, tolerance or politeness. If it can be done both the sides. If this side is being asked, you have to write intolerance, tolerance, intolerance, politeness, intolerance. Then introspection, extrospection, intelligent, dull, stupid or foolish. You can write all of the three: dull, stupid or foolish. Then intensify, lessen. Then irregular, regular or usual. Irritate, reconcile, calm or appease. You can write all of the three: reconcile, calm or appease. Insert, extract, invent, imitate, duplicate or copy. You can write all of the three: imitate, duplicate or copy. Then join, separate or disunite. Jolly, gloomy or melancholy. You can write both this. Then keen, laziness or dull. Lad, lass. Legitimate, illegitimate. Leader, follower or apprentice. You can write both: follower or apprentice. Literate, illiterate. Luxury, simplicity or commonness. Some say he is living a life of luxury. So you can write he is living a life of simplicity or commonness. Malice, goodwill or reputation. Majority, minority or inferiority. Manner, discourtesy or mannerlessness. Means somebody is having good manners. We call them as he is having good manners. Or we can say that he has shown discourtesy or mannerlessness. He has shown mannerlessness. Then manly, effeminate, masculine, feminine, material, spiritual or non-material. Mercy, cruelty, penalty or rigor. You can write all of the three: cruelty, penalty or rigor. Merit, demerit, meager, plentiful or abundant. You can write plentiful, abundant to meager. If this side is being asked, you have to write meager. Then minute, abundant, huge or vast. You can write all of the three for minute, abundant, huge or vast. Mischief, good, advantage. Miser, spendthrift. The spelling is spendthrift. Spendthrift. Then misfortune, fortune or blessing. Miraculous, commonplace. If commonplace is being asked, then you can say miraculous. If fortune or blessing is being asked, then misfortune. In the other side, we will discuss few more antonyms. Friends, coming to few more opposite words: mislead, pilot or guide. Modern, ancient or old or obsolete. Don't we say that some rules have become obsolete? That means it has become old or it has become ancient. It needs revival, means with a new amendment. Then modesty, sociability or frankness. Frankness or sociability is modesty. He is very sociable person. He is very modest person or frank person. Moment, epoch or period. They lived in the dinosaur epoch or some period, means dinosaur period, something. It's a moment. Then moral, immoral or vicious. Do not be indulged in immoral act. Don't be say it. Then motion, rest or immobility. Murder, revive or remedy or bring to life. You can write all of the three to murder. He has murdered that particular person, means he has revived that person, he has remedied that person, he has made that person to bring to life. Mystery, publicity, open book or news. Something, some mystery is there. Many people say some mystery is there in this particular place. Some publicity is there, you can say. Some open book or some news is there. Then native, foreign or alien. In citizenship, we say some native citizens or aliens. Aliens means from the people from the other countries. Then natural, artificial. Natural, artificial. Natural, artificial is very common. Narrow, wide or broad or large. Narrow, wide, broad or large. Neat, dirty or untidy. In school we say that okay, neat and clean, stay neat and clean, and we say our students that don't make the classroom dirty or untidy. Necessary, unnecessary or casual. We say it is necessary action or it is unnecessary action, it is very casual action, it is very casual response. Then neglect, care, attention. He has neglected it. He has given care or attention to it. Then neighbor, enmity or rivalry. We are having rivalry with Pakistan. We are having enmity with China. Nervous, courageous, bold or valiant. We can write 3 to nervous. Don't be nervous before exam. Be courageous, be bold and be valiant. Nimble, inactive or clumsy. Inactive, clumsy, that is nimble. Noble, mean or common. We say he is a noble-minded person, and we say that Ram is a noble-minded person or Ravana is a mean-minded person. We say in that particular way. Normal, abnormal or unusual. Notorious, reputable or famous. Gabbar Singh is a notorious criminal. We say this. Obedient, disobedient or multinous. That is, he is a obedient son or he is a disobedient student. We say it. Obligatory, voluntary or desired. It is their obligatory action. It is their voluntary action or it is their desired action. Obscure, apparent. He is an obscure, he is apparent. Then obstruct, help, forward or assist. He is helping him. He is assisting him. He is obstructing him from doing a particular work. Obvious, hidden or secret or latent. Means obvious, we can write hidden, secret or latent. He has hidden that particular fact. He has made that particular fact as secret. He has latent that particular thing. Obviously, I will act, that is thing. Offense, that is defense. He is being very offensive in his action, and the Indian cricket team has played defensive cricket today. We say this. Then offer, withdraw or alienate. He has offered me a job. He has withdrawn from his candidature. He has alienated few people in his actions. Omit, include or compromise. He has omitted few beneficiaries. He has included few beneficiaries. He has comprised few beneficiaries. Then opening, closing, shutter or closer. Today is the opening day of this movie theater. Today is the closing day for the grocery shop. Today you can write closure as well as closing for opening. Operation, failure or inaction. In Operation Vijay, India has won the Tiger Hill. Then failure. We have failed in our action to implement our policy, or inaction. His inaction drove that organization to despair. Oppose, support, aid or encourage. He has opposed the bill, Citizenship Amendment Bill. Then some people have supported the helping the poor. Aid, he has aided few poor people in his locality. He has encouraged few persons to act on certain aspect. Optimist, pessimist or disappointed. I am an optimist. He is a pessimist. Then Ram is disappointed with his own performance. Then optional, compulsory or obligatory. Political science is his optional. Compulsory, English is his compulsory paper. Obligatory. Then language paper is obligatory in civil services main examination. Oral, written or inscribed. They had taken oral interview. They asked written papers and inscribed. Ordinary, extraordinary or uncommon. He is an ordinary person. Tendulkar was an extraordinary batsman. Uncommon. This particular sage is an uncommon sage. Origin, result, effect or sickle. Origin means the J.K. Rowling's original publication was fantastic. Then her sickle. Then result or effect. His result is pathetic. Then oversight, observation, care or attention. His observations are quite fantastic. His oversight, his care. He cared his or her parents. Then he gave attention to his child. Then pacify, irritate, annoy or enrage. Pacify. Some people pacified Ram after his dejection from exam result. Irritate. Some people irritated Syam. Then annoy. Some people, students annoyed the principal. Then enrage. Some people were enraged because of some action. Pain, comfort, peace or relief. No pain, no gain. When you will remain in comfort, you will not gain anything. If you want peace, then go for meditation. He got relief after the disaster. So with this, we came to the end of this video. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload a video, you will get the notification. And sir and ma'am, one humble request, if you like my effort in this making this video, then do give me a thumbs up. It is very moral boosting. Thank you very much.